This is a short introduction video to the basic usage of MagiCreate. MagiCreate is a complementary tool for creating your own product database to use in MagiCAD. The key features include creating a new database, adding products into the database, changing measurements of the product, and adding technical parameters for the product. All models can be used both in MagiCAD for AutoCAD and MagiCAD for Revit. Let's start. First, we'll launch MagiCreate. Over here, you could open a recently used database, but since this is our first time, we'll start by creating a new one by clicking the Create New button. It then asks for the name and location of the database, and I will name mine new_database. Now that we have a new database created, let's check out the settings first. Click over here to open the sidebar, and then click on Change Defaults. From here, we can change the manufacturer, website, and database password. And down here we can select our database location if it's published online and language for MagiCreate. After creating the database, you can browse it by category. They are empty for now because we don't have anything in the database just yet. Let's add a supply air device, or more specifically a ceiling diffuser. Click on Ventilation, Air Terminal Devices, Supply Air Terminal Device, and Create New. Now we get to select the 3D geometry for this product. These are generic product databases. They contain models designed to be used in custom databases. The browser only shows models relevant to our selected category. I'll take the first product from Generic Diffusers. Click Deselect All since we want to name the product ourselves, and then click OK. Now it's in the database and ready to be used. After selecting our 3D geometry, we can start modifying the product. This is a product family, and these are the variants for it. I'll rename the family and then start working on the first variant. The first variant will be Ceiling Diffuser 250, since the duct diameter is 250 mm. Now we have to modify the dimensions a bit to match the name. Set the duct diameter to 250 and make it a little bit bigger overall. As you can see, the model changes right away. Next, we'll add some technical data, in this case into the Ventilation tab. Because this is a ventilation device, it will need some pressure data and sound data as well to draw a nice graph. Click on Without Volume Control and define based on flow. Add some data over here. The sound data generator automatically calculates the pressure value based on the flow data you just input. Here I'll add the flow value and some sound values. And into the other one as well. Now we get a graph you can click on and check the values from that specific point. Let's create one more variant since we want to have bigger diffusers as well. Select the product family and click Create New Variant. Type in the new name, Ceiling Diffuser 450. And make it much bigger so it can fit the large duct. Just to recap what we've achieved so far. We have created a new database, looked at the default settings of MagiCreate, created a new product into the database, added technical data for the product, and added another variant for the product. These were the basics to using MagiCreate. You can download and use MagiCreate for free from portal.magicad.com. Feel free to create an additional database for your products and use them in MagiCAD for AutoCAD and MagiCAD for Revit. Thanks for watching.